This is world famous folk artist Dennis Ramsay. We're getting a snowstorm today in the town of Kempville. Anyhows, if you ever want a folk art painting, call me 902-365-5044. Or come visit me. I live at 27 Canaan, Canaan Avenue, Apartment B, Kempville, Nova Scotia, Canada, postcode B4N2A7. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. There's art videos, singing videos, talking videos. Yeah, it looks pretty bad out there today, boys and girls. Getting a snowstorm in the town of Kempville. Yes. Anyhow, subscribe to the Dennis Ramsay YouTube channel. Always give me a thumbs up on my videos. I appreciate that. We're getting a snow blizzard today, boys and girls. Snow blizzard. It's getting so blinding you can't even see out there.